Good day, pupils. How are you today? I hope you're fine and I hope you're staying safe. Today, we're looking at the topic energy. Energy, very important topic to us. Let's quickly see our learner's objective quickly. At the end of the lesson, the pupil should be able to define energy. State and explain the main types of energy. Okay, now what is the definition for energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Can I hear you say that? Energy is the ability to do work. Now, it is a very important part of how we live. Now, most of the time, at times when you eat, you may come out to say, "Yes, now I have energy." Energy at times is being referred to as strength. So it is very important for us to have energy to do things. Well, today we'll be looking at the different types, the main types of energy that we have. There are two main types of energy we have. You can see that in the image: potential energy and kinetic energy. From the image there, you can see some of the examples under potential energy, where we have the battery, pulling van, a flower, and all this machine that keeps moving. While for kinetic, you can see a kite moving in the sky. That's a different example of, those are the main types of energy. And I want you to understand that from these two main types of energy, we can also extract other types of energy. Like from the kinetic energy, we can get light, sound, electrical energy, sound energy, light energy, wind energy, and so on. While from the potential energy, we can get electrical energy also, gravitational energy, chemical energy, and so on. So it's from these two main types of energy that we get other types of energy. Now we're going to focus on the two main types of energy today. The first one, potential energy. Potential energy is the stored energy an object has because of its position or state. I take it again. Potential energy is the stored energy an object has because of the position or the state it is in. Now, take for instance a bicycle on the top of a hill. The bicycle on the top of the hill, by the time it is let down from the hill, you will see the speed at which it will come down. The book fell over her head. That is, if the book is on the top of the shelf and is coming down, you see the speed in which it comes down. And a stretch spring all have potential energy. Let's quickly look at what we have in kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy an object has due to its motion when it keeps moving. So kinetic is as a result of what? Motion. As long as an object is moving at the same velocity, it will maintain the same kinetic energy. Once the object is moving at the same speed, it maintains the same kinetic energy. Let's say this together. Kinetic energy, the energy of motion that is released from stored energy. Can you see different examples of it? An arrow released from the bow flying through the air. An object rolling down a hill. That's mostly under potential, which can also fall under kinetic. Muscle moving when you're jogging, and a car moving. So you can see different examples of kinetic energy that we have. And you can see the child in the last example that we have there shooting an arrow. By the time the arrow is released, you will see the speed at which the arrow will keep moving. So those are the different energy types that we're going to be looking at today. In our next class, maybe we'll be going down to the different types of energy that falls under these two main parts. But for now, we've come to the end of today's class. I hope you enjoyed today's learning, because I've enjoyed it also. For those watching us via YouTube, you can also subscribe to the e-learning class by the WhatsApp line being displayed on the screen. Till I come here next time, I want you to stay safe and be good. Pupils will go back to class for more exercise and for more learning. Bye-bye.